Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first ever makeup tutorial video where I have done a pinkish kind of a makeup which you can definitely wear on parties, but it is decent as well. So without any further ado, let's get started. So firstly I am preparing my eyes with the help of Color Essence Pan Stick. I am hiding my dark circle a bit, and this will also give a good base to my eye, and setting it with a loose powder. And now I am shaping my eyebrows. I like a bit of darker kind of eyebrows of mine, but at last it will look good. Now I am preparing my lips by moisturizing it with Himalaya Cocoa Lip Balm. And now with the help of a blending brush, I am picking up the darkest shade of eyeshadow, that is dark brown, and will start filling my corner of the eyes. So starting from here. Now I am making a line so that the edges looks a bit sharp. Well, I am not a professional makeup artist. Whatever I have learned, whatever I have seen, I am doing it by my personal experiences, and if there is any mistake, then please do forgive me. Well, I used to like to do my makeup like in this way. So here I am entirely blending it out, and you can see that there is a sharp edge around the corner. And now I am picking the black eyeshadow from my small eyeshadow palette, and I am not going to do a kajal, but I am doing this with the help of my eyeshadow so that it gives a soft look to my eyes. And now I am picking the pink shade from my eyeshadow palette and just dabbing it around my eyes, my upper lid. Right now I will not smudge it, but just I am dabbing it a bit. And with the help of a silver eyeliner, I will now fill my inner corners so that it gives a good definition to my eyes. It will also make my eyes look a bit bigger, and this gives a nice party kind of a touch. So I like doing this wherever I have to attend some parties like marriage functions or any kind of birthday parties, or if I am going out anywhere. And now with the help of this small brush, I am taking the silver highlighter and highlighting my eyebrows for a sharper look. Doing it on the other eye too. And now I am blending it with a blending brush. This comes with the eyeshadow palette. And now time for eyeliner. This is L18 eyeliner, and not too much of eyeliner, a little bit of wing kind of pattern I am going to do here. Simple, very basic. And now I am setting my face with Lakme foundation. First I did my eye makeup. Now I am preparing my face, and with the help of this beauty blender I will dab the foundation on my face. I am not going to massage it. This is the actual way to apply a foundation, that you should dab it on your face rather than massaging it on your face. So it gives a good definition. And before applying the foundation, I applied aloe vera gel. And now I am taking the black eyeshadow, and now I am contouring my nose. I will contour my nose as well as my cheekbone so that it gives a sharp chisel look. So that it can decrease my puffiness and gives a sharpness to my nose. And now I am blending it. Now I am taking the lightest shade of pink from my eyeshadow palette, and this is blush, and so I am applying it very little, just to give a pinkish kind of a glow, not too much. Applying it a bit on my nose too, and now highlighting my nose so that it will define. Now with the help of cotton I am erasing my lip balm. It has entirely moisturized my lips, but now I am going to apply matte lipstick, so I removed it. This is a very light shade of pink, but in camera it is appearing a bit darker, but it's a very sweet kind of a pink and I love this shade. Yeah, my lips are a bit broader, so bigger amount of lipstick is required. And now I am ending with this Hyper Curl mascara from Maybelline. I am in just love with this mascara. This gives a very good definition to my eyes, and I am using the mascara both in my upper lid and lower lid. And so my makeup is done. Trying to do some fancy hairstyles and appearing some big ring earrings. So this is my final look. When the time will go on, the makeup will get much more intense and it will look much more gorgeous. And I will show you also in another light. Just wait a bit. Here I come. So here you can see that it's looking a bit different, coming into different light, and I love what it came out. You can see the eyeshadow color, and the corner of my eyes has a smoky kind of effect. Just because of that I applied the dark brown shade of eyeshadow into my corners. So this is how it looks. Well, I haven't changed my dress, so just ignore that. I was just focused on doing my makeup. So okay, that's it. Bye guys, and if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel.